Egypt is full of dreams, mysteries, and memories. And I got a chance to make some beautiful memories in the land of Pharaoh. We have already landed in the land of mystery and about to start our journey. So guys, we started our journey. Let's see where we go in Cairo today. So let's see where we are going. So this is our vehicle for today. Why do you... Where we are now?
This is whole market inside, so we can roam around. After 1 hour, driver will come.
We went to Egypt for a 5-day tour, and this is our day 1 at Cairo. And right now we are at our first destination, that is Moez Street in Old Cairo. Moez Street in Old Cairo will give you a true feel for the history of Cairo. It's a free pedestrian street, but photography is prohibited. So be careful. Do not take out your camera here.
So how was our trip?
After Moez Street, our next spot is Azar Park. It's one of Cairo's hidden gems. Azar Park is listed as one of world's 60 great public spaces. Again, camera is not allowed inside, but the relief is that you can take your phone. The entry fee is 15 to 20 Egyptian pound. You will witness beauty and tranquility in the middle of Cairo. Cairo city is otherwise little drab and little colorless. Between this, when you see this park, you will be mesmerized. Come, let's explore Al-Azhar Park.
লম্বা করে নিশিন স্টাডি।
That's all for our first day at Cairo. Right now we are at Cairo Airport traveling to our next destination. That will be Luxor. And here we reach safely. And you can see our travel agent waiting for us. Our day 2 will be all about Luxor. For tonight, Steigenberger will be our abode. It is located in the heart of Luxor and provide modern accommodation with stunning view of the River Nile. Let me show you around in this night time, and tomorrow you'll get to see a new version of Steigenberger, because in the night the view is different and in the morning it will be a totally different view.
বন্ধ কর আগে কায়ান বন্ধ করে তো
That's all for day 1. Stay tuned for rest 4 days. I'll be covering many important places of Egypt. Till then, take care and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.